Welcome to the in front of me REALME C31, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my face here, and we'll see how fast this feature is. So as can you see, I just successfully do this. So now I'll just make a couple more couple tries. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. Did you see that? 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock method works normally here. I just can normal unlock the device. I'll just try one more thing because I set up my face recognition here without the glasses, and now I'll just try to wear the glasses, and we'll see does this unlock method works with the glasses now. As can you see, the face unlock feature recognize my face also with the glasses. So you can try this. I suggest you to try the face unlock if you don't like, for example, the pin codes or passcodes here, but don't forget that the face unlock less secure than the just pattern of pin code or passcode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.